Okay, so if you have a Ford F-150 or some other model that uses this turn signal stalk and your windshield wipers won't go off, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Number one, pull off these two parts by prying them off with a simple flat blade screwdriver. Don't try to take the windshield washer button off. Just pry these two off. They come off real easy. You need a T6 Torx driver to get those two little screws out inside. Underneath, you're going to find this assembly, which is held on by these two screws. Take out the two screws, lift off that assembly, and you'll find this. Okay, those are the switch wipers. Underneath, in the side, the stalk, you're going to find the problem. I'm going to put another picture at the end of this video that shows where the inside track of that upper path where the wiper was wiping is shorted, and no amount of cleaning or wiping the switch assembly is going to clear it. You have to go in there with a razor blade and knock that little bit of metal off, and that'll fix the problem. Save yourself 60 bucks. Do not take this end of the stalk apart. It's very hard to get back together. In fact, you may be able to pry these knobs off without taking the stalk off of the steering column. You have to pry that knob first, and then the indicator ring below it off with a flat blade screwdriver.